Another great find on Amazon. These Oppenheimer disposable grills allow you to grill anywhere you choose. We use them when we go up in the Jeep or the UTV. We'll take them up, we'll throw a couple burgers in, maybe some brats, and we'll get to wherever we're going. We'll set it up, super simple setup. It's an aluminum tray, has a rack, and it has a cooking surface. You need one match, you light the paper that's already in here, and it ignites all of the charcoal. Wait for it to warm up or wait for it to the flames to go out, start cooking. You can easily do 3 sets of burgers, and you can put about 4 burgers at a time on this while it's cooking. We love it. This is actually the 3rd set I bought. Every time I go, if I go with a different group of friends, people see them and they instantly send me a link. So we love them. I'm sure you'll love them too. Super simple, very, very, very easy to use, and I recommend them.